Kingwood, Texas Pressure Washing, a division of ViperTech Mobile Pressure Wash. We offer residential pressure washing services, commercial pressure washing services. Why choose Kingwood, Texas Pressure Washing? We are a veteran-owned business. We're fully insured. We offer low, affordable rates. We have uniformed employees. Free, no-pressure quotes with a 100% money-back guarantee if you don't like your service. Look no further. We're the best in Kingwood, Texas. Call us, email us, or visit us online anytime. We look forward to hearing from you.